Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get mutation sprays and how you can use it on your plants in Grow a Garden. So sometimes there will be like a mutation shop over here. It spawned this morning, but I didn't get the chance to record it. I don't know like how long it spawns are for, but you can buy mutation sprays there. Or if you give Crispy his cravings, sometimes he'll give that as like a reward. As you can see, if I scroll down, you'll get the two mutation spray honey glaze. I just got that one. Or the 3 mutation spray fried, you'll get 2. So actually you get 3. There's a burnt one as well. To use it, get your mutation spray and click it on the plant you want to add mutation spray to. I'm going to add mine to the burning bud one. I'll add it to this one on top. I think they might have, well, you might need it when they've grown. I'm not sure. Let's do the mango one. I don't care. And add one to the mango one as well. And as you can see, it is honey glaze. I don't know like the difference in how much it'll cost later. Let's see. Mango honey glazed. How much is this worth? Okay, it's not bad. I actually don't know the selling point of it. I actually don't know which mutation sprays are the most worth it. This is just the one that I got. I'm just trying to show you guys. But that is how you can use mutation sprays in Grow a Garden. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!